soil test time, guys. Let's get to it. So as I was saying, guys, it is soil time, soil test time, and I'm gonna get out there in the yard right now today to get this done. I got my new soil probe. No more window curtain rod soil probe. So you'll be seeing that here in a minute as well. But I not only got one, I got two soil tests for my front yard, and I want one for my backyard. So hang tight, guys. I'm about to show you what's in these boxes. But first things first, I had to get a couple tin cans right here. And one's gonna be for the front, one's gonna be for the back, for the actual soil. Such pretty coloring. Front yard and backyard. I just flipped the top up a little bit. Front goes with the front, and back goes with the back. It is super easy to do these soil sample tests. I'm gonna give you a little breakdown of what's in the box if you haven't seen it before, and if you have, bear with me. All right, guys, so as you saw before, yardmastery.com, that's where I got my soil test from, and I've never used these before. My last soil test in July of 2020 was done with My Soil and Soil Savvy, and I guess they were pretty accurate. To be honest with you, I don't know much about soil test results and all the numbers like some of these people like John Perry, Matt Martin, a few others out there that just absolutely kill this stuff. So we got some important notices. I got my kit registration number right there. You want to keep this paper handy. Do not throw it away. It tells you how to collect your soil, mail in your soil, and then waiting for your results. And then obviously here at the bottom, amend your soil. That means they're going to give you some recommendations on what they see with your soil and what's going on. So awesome. Back here they have a little plan of how you should do it. Also, you can use a little shovel just to get out some dirt. So they want you to get to a depth of 4 to 6 inches. So there's the instructions. Keep that, pull aside. Awesome little mail-in thing when you're done. You don't have to worry about postage or anything like that. You got your Yard Mastery. Do not remove contents, just add the soil. Warning, capsule is a choking hazard, so don't eat this, guys. Please, just don't eat that. So as you can see in there, see that little capsule in there, and it has the liquid in it. And then we got a little scoop right here. So after you put it in your container, try to grind it up, the dirt, as much as possible. You don't want a whole bunch of big chunks. You don't want a whole bunch of other stuff. Then you're gonna dig it out with the scoop and then pour that into there, seal this back up, and put it in the bag and mail it off. When you get your kit, you can go online to Yard Mastery and register your kit. All right, guys, so I'll show you my my soil probe right now, so hold on just 1 minute. All right, guys, I'm back and I got my soil probe. This thing is a beast. AMS soil probe from AMSsamplers.com, AMS-samplers.com. This thing is, it is steel. It is, we'll see how it works, but this thing, if I hit somebody over the head with it, it's gonna hurt. We're gonna see how AMS does. What do you say? Let's get probing. That's better. Some Toro sunglasses are sweet, but not sure if you guys saw it in the front. It is really difficult closer by the house. Or I'm sorry, it's farther away from the house and closer to the sidewalk, there's just so many pebbles. I think I might have got to 4 inches, maybe. Some of them maybe 3 inches. But back here, I have some better hope. I think I'm going to be able to get down a lot farther. And right now, as it stands, that AMS soil probe is amazing. All right, guys, let's see. There she is. That is the backyard. I got cut off because my phone died. But I saw the front yard, saw the backyard, getting some soil samples. And I'm going to show you the difference in the soil. Right now, soil tests are done. And next, well, you're going to have to subscribe to my channel to find out what's next. So I'll see you guys next time. Thank you. It is great to be back here, and I'm sure you guys missed me. I know I missed it. So I'll see you guys next time. See you later.